up, everybody and team? What's up, Jay? What's up, G Puck? Big Rock? Diddley Yon. What's good, everybody? Let's go, Grant. Come on now. You know what time it is? It's business time. It's business time. It is business time. Business time. What's good, Andrew? Honestly, I need to update that course. It is very, very old. So a lot in my trading has changed. YouTube stream is live. Yes, sir, it is. Let me go double check it. Yeah, no, we're live. It just started. Good morning, everyone. What's up, Carmi? What's up? Ilham, Paolo, Tommy. I'm here for discipline, not dopamine. That's right. Morning from Melbourne. Is that in Australia? I know. My glasses are in my car. I'm glassesless today, guys. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? What are you watching for today, Mr. Grizzly? You got anything on the docket? Yes, no, maybe so. What? Yeah, we're pumping. Pumping. I got the coffee mug today. Grandma's mug. Big blue. Big blue. Big blue. Big blue. I gotta get my music playing. Can't be trading in the silence. I don't know how some of y'all do it. I couldn't do it, guys. I couldn't do it. No way. I know you missed FOMC yesterday, Grizzly, and kudos to following your plan, but Greg and I caught some bangers. Yeah, it was cool. It was cool. It was cool. It was cool. All right, Bunny Team. As a reminder, it is a great day. It is a beautiful day. It is a perfect, exquisite day to choose discipline over dopamine, to trade smart, to trade safe, and to stay focused. I'm going to go ahead and put our YouTube poll up that we do every single day. You already know we got the best analysis in the game. Which way are we heading? Bullish, up, bearish, down. And as a reminder, too, make sure each and every one of you guys is signed up for my three-day webinar. It is free. It is 3 days long, and it starts on October 6th. So no-brainer. All you guys should be there. Don't. I will get screen share going, Team Bull. My apologies. There we go. All right, should be active. Should be good to go. If you're looking to sign up for the 3-day webinar and you're on TikTok, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades, or you can go to my TikTok profile and it's on my page. You'll see it. If you're on YouTube, it's in the link in the description. But yeah, if you want to message me, if that's easier for you, you can DM me on IG and say, hey, I'm from the free live stream. I really want to make more money trading. I want to get consistent. I want to get focused. I want to get systematic. Give me that link to the free 3-day free event. I'll say, yep. All right, bet. I got you. I'll say, I got you, my friend. Got you. Dun, dun. We are still in uncharted territory. We're still in uncharted territory. Likely going to stay very patient today. Why did you come online yesterday afternoon? Because it was FOMC. It was FOMC. Of course, I'm going to trade with y'all. Of course, I'm going to trade with y'all. Come on now. Yep, patience. Every day you join this live stream, I'll tell you what you will get. You'll get patient, you'll get focus, and you'll get system. So far, 4 racks. Plus, I accomplished something pretty cool yesterday. I can't speak on it, but I'll speak on it and post it soon. That's all I'm going to say. Yeah, I accomplished something that I decided I wanted to try and do because a lot of influencers talk about it, but they never actually do it. That's all I'm going to say. But I thought it was pretty cool, so I'll post about it soon. I mean, more power to him, Sean. That's my boy. All right, you guys want a clue? It has to do with trading. Do we try? What's the high here? 715. Looking at entry, if we moved up for a higher risk, earlier shorts entry. Doesn't look like we're going to get it. Doesn't look like it's going to give it to us. And we'd go to low day. What's Tesla doing? Oh, wow. Tanking. Damn, bro. Literally wanted to pop up just a little bit higher. It does not relate to Gene, though Gene helps me with everything that I do. So I guess technically it does relate to him. I don't have a top step code. Nope. My code is Jdun. If you if you want to trade with Apex, Tradeify, or the Funded Futures family, You can use code Jdun for the best possible discount. Use code JDUN. You'll always get the best possible discount, payout protection, and of course, you know I'm going to help you pass your challenges forever and always. Come on. I never tried it, Scott. I stick to the ones I know. Team Bull taught me how to fish. Thank you. You're welcome, Mark. That's dope. Appreciate you being here, bro. Appreciate you being here, my boy. As a reminder, too, I'm going to go ahead and put the 3-day free masterclass link in the pinned comment on YouTube. While we're waiting for our next trade, I usually start looking after the first 15 minutes. I'm going to put this in chat. Make sure you guys all go register and save your seat right now. October 6th. There we go. All right. I just put the link in chat, everybody. So go register real quick and make sure. Yes, sir. Y'all about me registered. Come on now. What do you mean you can't join through PC? Should be able to. Might be an issue on your end, bro. All I'm looking for right now is shorts. All that I'm looking for right now is shorts. I have no longs on deck for a bit. Wherever. Let's clean up these charts. Wherever. I honestly like the idea of a pullback to like 650 now. Around that midline. That looks decent. Midline's a little higher, actually, like 665, 670, but I like the idea of shorts on a pop-up. I mean, honestly, I think we're still ready for another pullback in the market, but I still think that they want to deliver more pain. We'll see. Been wrong before. We'll probably be wrong again. I'd love to see a pullback to 650 to try shorts. If you want the complete chart on TikTok, go over to YouTube, guys. JDUN Trades, Jdun Trades. That's where my full chart is. Obviously, the best place to be is inside Team Bull. There's no lag, full screen share on Zoom every day and more. But as far as free live streams, go over to YouTube, Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button, hitting that subscribe, and rocking with me every day. I still like shorts. I just want to pop up to like 650 to this area right here if you're on screen share. You're waiting for me. I was really hoping we get a pullback up to 650. I don't think we're going to. Down. Yeah, that's what I'm watching too, Grizzly. 650. Same exact thing, bro. All right, guys. I'm watching here. Trying a piece of shorts. It's high risk without the candle closed, but I'm trying a piece of shorts up here. Stops above 680. If we close this candle with higher volume, won't look as great, but I did try it. Smaller size. No ad areas yet. I don't love that 5 minute. I tried the shorts down there. Everybody was hard stops at 680. Oh, just wow. Stopped out, guys. That was the literal fastest $700 I've ever lost in my life. Wow. Well, Grizzly, that didn't work out very well. It was worth a shot for me. I actually really liked the setup, but it just didn't work out. Well, that's a good start to the day. There wasn't even room to scalp that. It literally went straight up. I mean, if you scalp for a point, 2 points. Yeah, no bueno. That's all right. We'll wait and stay patient. That's a setup that I would take or try at least 10 out of 10 times. We had this previous support turn resistance. We had the aggressive impulse candle, higher volume. And if you were going to make a lower high, it would have been in this area. It just didn't work out. So it's all right. Sorry, guys. Sorry, fellas. Starting off with a 25-point L. Looking at the same time. You know, that's why I swear over and over again, bro. When I wait for 5 minute closes, my win rate stays extremely high. When I not try to rush things, but when I jump the gun early, significantly goes down. Well, all right. We'll see what else we get today. Going to stay really patient. Wait for A+ setups. Next setup I take, we'll need a 5-minute candle closure with confirming volume. If we get that, I'll take it. If we don't, I will just not take anything. You know, looking back, that was probably the wave, especially with that aggressive impulse candle to the upside. Yes, we had a lower volume, but it wasn't by much. Well, I mean, it looked like a good setup. There just wasn't a 5-minute closure. So that's something I would try a good amount of the time. It just, my win rate goes down when I don't wait for that 5-minute close. We'll survive, guys. We'll survive. I'm excited to announce what I got done. I can't talk about it yet. But I did something pretty dope. Did something pretty cool. Accomplished something pretty cool. I said, you know what? I'm going to try this. And we're going to get it done. I'm going to do it. Appreciate you, Tom. No need to apologize. Great example of how to take a trade, have confluence and plan, and most importantly, how to cut a loss and move on. Yep. Appreciate you, bro. That's wow. Watch. Now we're going to sweep up and move down. Watch. I mean, I'm going to have no part of it because I'm not going to force any more trades. That first one wasn't forced. It was, you know, there was confluence behind it. It just didn't work out. And it didn't work out fast. That was the annoying part. It literally stopped me out in like a minute. No bueno. No bueno, guys. No bueno. Wow. Watch. I know. Watch. It's going to sweep up and then move down. All right. I see you. I see you, NQ. Loud and clear. I see you. I still like shorts up here looking at this candle. Trying shorts? All right. I'll try a piece with you. Again. Okay. See if we can get farther. Tried a piece of shorts up there, if you didn't hear. I'm even open to up to like 680 with stops above 700. It looks good. Honestly, it looks really good. Yep, shorts. Shorts, everybody. I'm trimming with you. Just being safe. I'd like to see 600 out of it, but be safe. Trimmed with you too, Grizzly Glock. I'd like to see like 600 out of this, but Come on, flush below 640. I set my stops to break even too. Everybody. Oh. Well, that slippage fucking sucked. Damn, I hit my stop, but I got a horrible fill on that. Damn. I'm glad I got that first trim on there, but that sucked. I thought we were going to go back green. Damn. Well, I'm still small red on the day. I thought we were going to go back to green. We're not back to green. Well, I was already red to start, so I was right off that first trade. Damn. What the hell was that 1 minute candle? What are you doing? What are you doing, NQ? I mean, the trade moved nice, but not. I still think shorts are the move here, but I just don't want to jumping in and out of trades. I think that as long as we hold below that 15-minute high, that like 710, we still look good to the downside, but I'm just going to wait now. We have a 10 a.m. data, U.S. leading economic indicator. Damn, I really thought that it was going to have a candle like that, but to the downside. It was a decent trade. Went from 60s down to 40, but I was really hoping that would give us more of a move. That's why you always have hard stops in, even if there's a little slippage. Do why stay fly? What do you mean London low? We didn't touch London lows. On ES, I guess we did, but not on NQ. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was just looking. Oh man, that was annoying. I still don't fully trust the longs. This volume's looking a little sneaky. Looking a little sneaky. Good morning, good morning. And that was foul, Grizzly. That setup looks so good, bro. Nothing. Yeah. Yeah, I got a nice trim off too, but the slippage. I really like that setup. I guess we pushed up off some moves or something. I'm not for sure. But the setup looked great there. It did look great. I love that setup. You failed the 50 and 61.8% retracement. Aggressive wick to the downside. Usually money bags. We love. Make sure if you guys haven't already, if you're on TikTok, you tap in, hit that follow button. I trade live for you guys every single day. And if you're on the YouTube, you get full screen share. Make sure y'all tap in and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. If you're trading with Apex Trader Funding, they are 80% off right now. You can trade up to 20 accounts at a time. There is no more scalable firm. None. So make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button. If you guys are trading with funded accounts or if you want to get funded, go to apextraderfunding.com. I'll post the link in chat and use code Jdun for the best possible discount and payout protection. Lots of people use Apex. I've had lots of students getting paid out too, as long as you follow the rules. That's what I always say. You know, if you use code Jdun, you're going to have payout protection. If you follow the rules, I understand the intraday trailing is tough, but it also comes with scalability, right? That's how you have to look at it. Just blew my top step account. Think I'm going to try freelance brand scaling. All right, Brez. Hey, if you want to learn how to build a brand or build an online business, make sure you follow my personal IG, JDUN. I trade in the mornings and I build businesses and I build online personal brands and coaching businesses in the evening. So if you've ever wanted to build a business, maybe you're a great trader and you want to have your own coaching offer, right? You want to teach people how to trade too and help other people in the future. If that's something you want to do, hit me up on IG at Jdun, JDUN. I'm always down to give out as many tips as I can and help. Like I said, you won't see me having competition in this industry. I make enough money trading. I've done really well in my last 5 years on social media. If I can help good people give out good education, I'm here for it. I can't believe they did that to us. That setup looks so good. How dirty. That was foul. That was real foul. What are we looking like? I mean, honestly, right now it's looking bullish, but I don't really have any interest in longing to the upside. Not without a significant pullback. We'll see how this candle closes. On IG, Party in the Parks, JDUN. Just type in JDUN. Or on YouTube, I have a small channel, Real Jacob Dunning. I haven't really posted too much on it, but that's where it's going to be. Dun, dun, dun. So we got the close above the orb. Volume looks okay. Doesn't look terrible. We'll see. Let's see if we're going to pull back into like 700. A pullback into like 700 or 710 with stops below 695 or so could be a move. Just used your discount code for Tradeify. Thank you, Jay Gregory. It means a lot, bro. That means a lot. Seriously, I appreciate you more than you know. Anytime you guys use code JDown, it means a lot to me. FFF's still cool. Yeah. I want to find you guys some bangers, guys. I'll find you guys a banger. We hit a nice banger during after FOMC yesterday. That was good, like 30 points. Like 30 points or so, something light. Something light. We're just going to go straight up, huh? No retest whatsoever on the orb, huh? Just straight up. See how it is. I got a couple accounts with code JDown. Appreciate you. Dashi's Knicks. Dashi's Knicks. Do we have to pay a fee in Apex? Yes. There's an activation fee after your eval if you pass the eval. I'm officially funded. Holy heck. What a great week. You're the man, Jacob. Thank you. You're right back at you, Mike. Congratulations, bro. That's dope. That's cool, man. Bro, I've been hitting the gym hard lately, dude. I've been really feeling it. Can't really tell, but I got long arms. I got like a 6'9" wingspan. You can just see sun's out, guns out, baby. Woo! Feeling strong. Isn't that the best feeling when you're just locked in, feeling strong, feeling good, feeling focused? Size 18 foot? Nah, size 15, bro. I do take pre-workout, but I take non-stim. Dude, come on. Where's the pullback? I can't long. I mean, yes, we have London high as a price target. I'm currently slightly red, Bobby DCmo. I had one winner and one loser, but I also had some slippage on the loser, so. Okay, what's up with these weird pages commenting? Like, why, bro? Damn Grizz, they never gave us our pullback.
No retails yet. The breakout entry or anything is wasn't crazy about the volume when the breakout came in.
Nope, me neither. Me neither, bro. See if we can get a push back down. Any sort of retest. And trade. Jeez Louise. That orb setup just went. We didn't even have a slight retest. Look at that chart. Just literally no wick down whatsoever. No retest whatsoever.
I was expecting a guesses Jdun. Expecting to go a little lower, get them to the notch. You went on this time to back with that.
And there's London high. There would be the price target for any sort of pullback. I've seen someone say they failed their top step on their birthday. This is why I always say, if it's your birthday, if it's a special day, you have a job interview, whatever it is, just stay away from putting on any risk. You never want to put risk on days where you have other emotional components involved. I've seen someone. I'm going to say it. TE6560. Oh, I never marked out the orb on ES. Oops. We didn't get a pullback there either. We still have more room up, technically speaking, on ES. We have London high a little higher. We've had a lot of traders getting paid out and making progress. It's pretty cool. Oh, no. What do you think, Team Bull? Should we have some traders to the headquarters tomorrow? Here in Colorado? No. What do you mean no? Why? What do you mean no? Said no. You know, it's like when you it's like Grizzly whenever we'd ask, like when we catch an absolute banger trade, when we're like, who made money? And everyone's like, yeah. And there's always someone that says no. I'm like, okay. I'm like, all right, I see how it is. See what it is. I am in Colorado. Yep. I also have a place in Wyoming too. Technically, I have a place in Nebraska as well. I'm a Midwest boy. I'm all around the Midwest. Oh, well, I passed my eval on yesterday's banger, so thank you. Bless. Let's go. Yeah, we should. We really should. I'd be down to end up in Montana. Montana's cool. Code.
72.
Did you say, Greg? I didn't hear a word of it.
732. I'm looking for loans.
732.
Yeah, I don't want to take it now. I prefer make it go down. That's liquidity.
I don't right now, Nico. Maybe one day. I don't have the glasses. You know why I'm slightly red, guys? Honestly, I figured it out. I don't have the glasses on today. They're in my car. In the humble Honda outside. Maybe I should go get them. Find us a banger. Maybe that's what I should do. Maybe that's what we need to do. Need the hat forward with the glasses on. Then I'll be able to see. I couldn't see. That's why I lost that first trade, guys. I couldn't see. It's my eyesight's fault, not mine. Yeah, it's my eyesight's fault, not mine. It couldn't be my fault. Couldn't be my fault. If we just slowly trend up here, then I likely won't take any more trades. You like Project X, Tyler? I've kind of tested it out a little bit with just playing around with Top Step. Gene really likes it. Gene really likes it. Project X best platform. Yep, and Tradeify just added Project X. So if you guys want to go straight to funded, if you're tired of blowing evals and wasting time on evals when you could be trading towards your next payout, you can always use Tradeify for a straight to funded account. So I'll put that link in chat. If you go to tradeify.co and you use code Jdun, you'll get 35% off. They just added Project X.
What a mean reversal down there.
I just put it in the YouTube chat. Get their Lightning funded account. You can copy and paste that too.
One of those updates.
Let's see. Tradeify has different rules than Apex. Less strict in some areas, more strict in others. Just depends on what you like, you know? It just depends what fits your trading preference. Nope, you can go straight to funded. You don't have to take an eval with Tradeify. So I'll put the link in chat. You can use code Jdun. You can buy up to 5 accounts at a time. You can trade up to copy trade up to 5 accounts at a time on Apex. Hey! Or on Tradeify, excuse me. 20 on Apex. Guess who just got here, baby? Mr. Gene just got here.
What are you two hitting at the
You know, probably some chest. Get the pec dance going. I gotta let Gene in 1 second. Hello. And we just got the close above London High. What's up, bro? Market's moving up. So while we're looking for a trade, so what consistency means is that you can, so say you have 20% consistency. This 20%, that's the one downfall of straight to funded, is 20% consistency can be tough. And what that means is basically that one day of your profits can't be more than 20% of your entire gains. So if you make $1,000 one day, you have to make at least $5,000 to get paid out with no days bigger than 1,000. Right? You take 1,000 divided by 20%. That means you have to make $5,000. No, you can't skip the eval on Apex, but you can one day pass, and you know, data's a good time to do that. Do that if you know what I'm saying. If you know what I am saying. Dun, dun, dun. I personally can't try any shorts up here. Want to come say hi to everyone, Gene? Sure. I'm going to get my glasses. Use the restroom. Gene's going to come say hi, everybody. Be nice.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
Morning.
Good morning.
Getting ready with my notes. I'm going to forget. Stop loss will be extended.
Yeah, everybody's being good.
So dumb.
What's up, bro?
How are you talking to him today?
No, I'm not.
I was like, you're not saying shit.
I need my electrolytes in my coffee.
Well, good thing we got the glasses on and the hat straight now, baby. I didn't even hear you take a trade. Oh, did you take the longs?
Yes, sir.
Nice. I was outside. See, I go get the glasses, and all of a sudden, Team Bull starts winning. Just saying. Just saying. What was your entry at?
760.
Wow, 760. That's really good. 20 plus points.
Yes, sir.
He wants to be a baller, shot caller. Your Nespresso? You like your Nespresso, bro. Nice job, dog. As a reminder, TikTok, make sure if you guys haven't already, you tap it and hit that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live every single day. And also make sure each and every one of you guys on YouTube and TikTok is registered for my next 3-day free masterclass. I have never done this before. On October 6th, 7th, and 8th, I'm going live every day. And I'm giving you guys everything that you need to build consistency, confidence, and profitability in your trading. So make sure y'all tap in. Yep, hit that 3-day masterclass link on the pinned comment and let's get it. Appreciate all y'all making this part of your daily routine as well. Means more than you know. Means more than you know. When you trade with Team Bull, you make progress. We've been in this game for a long time.
You're welcome, guys. So, stop loss must be
Nice job, dog.
break even, guys. At least break even. We are in high, so we don't know what could happen, so be careful. That's why I'm dreaming. Never know what happened here. So we are in unknown territory, so manage the trade accordingly. Stop loss.
What?
Break even at most.
Yeah, I know.
What book map at 24,800?
I actually don't actually. Hold on, let me see. My book mouse being weird. Why is it being weird?
What made me take the other services too? Last one top of the last one 100 and also on the top of the standard. That's why I took the last as 150. It's the top of the last 100 and
I need to have Brandon come and help me fix my book map. Something's up with it. The contracts haven't rolled yet. My NQ's wrong.
The volume will be right on those people.
Jax, I love you. That's why I want your number, bro. Because I want to text you and tell you I love you, baby. Yeah, those longs printed. Good shit, Greg. Let's go. Let's go. Money bag, money bag, money bag. The link to the mastermind is in the 3-day in the pinned comment. 3-day masterclass. This is your reminder. This is your mid-morning reminder to choose discipline over dopamine, everybody. Keep trading smart, keep trading safe, and staying focused. Keep trading smart, trading safe, and staying focused. Appreciate you, Mike. You know, it always really resonated with me. Oh my gosh, those Greg's longs are printing. Nuclear. Yo, tomorrow's Free Friday inside Team Bull too. So if y'all want to trade with us on Zoom with no lag, if you're on TikTok or YouTube, if y'all want to trade in our Zoom, make sure you guys join the free Discord. You can also DM me on Instagram. Literally anything you guys need. If you want access to the free Discord, if you want access to the 3-day free masterclass, if you want to say hi, if you want to tell me that you love me or you hate me or you think I'm beautiful or that I'm ugly, you DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. All right? Whatever you want to say. Shoot your shot. I don't know what Greg's price target is. What's your price target on these longs? Mega trade, 100 points.
loss must be in profit, okay? No excuses. In profit if you're still on this trade. No more break even.
Tesla's kind of stagnant today too. Oh, Bubba, come on. $813, $888. TP's the moon.
Brandon, try to short that up there. Chat. I'm not in the Zoom.
I feel like that's a Brandon type of trade. That reversal candle actually looks good at 800 too. Higher volume. Wick to the downside. That's a time where I'm like, all right, if we're going to look for a reversal, you just look for the whole site number pop up, stops above the highs. Don't.
Hey, good off that one trade. Particularly that was 20.3.
Don't. Don't. What's the high here? 810. Say from you can run, but you can't have forever. Oh boy. Do we do it, Grizzly? Do we try to catch the top up here at 800? I'm not for sure either, but I'm sure thinking about it with this 5-minute candle and rejection.
I took 2 trades today. One, I got the column I did.
The strong survived. Don't. Gene does both. He takes his own trades, then he'll trade with Team Bull as well.
I be having some good trades.
Yeah. Gene has some bangers. All right, we're back at this London high. That's where we're bouncing. You're looking what? Wow.
Watching closely.
You know, honest with you, I've been looking for shorts up here. Guess we'll see what we do with this London high.
Still, London highs at 24,809. Where I'm still looking for that retest of 24,713. See what we do there.
The 15-minute high.
30 minute high, 15 minute high.
I know I entered it. I'm just watching prices at this point. 760 this level. Bouncing now.
Pre-market high right now. 24,762.75.
Back with that on my mic. Let's see. Southside been the way with the dear rappers. Don't. That rejection up there off of 800 would have been it. That would have been it. What?
What's that?
I mean, it's not crazy, but here to here, 40 points down. Would have been it. Nothing.
It's sold, right?
Don't. Love you guys. Much love, Jdun. Gotta go. We'll catch you again tomorrow morning. See you, bro. God bless, man. Have a good rest of your night. Entrepreneurs take measured risks, not hopeless gambles. That's facts. That's facts. Got it when I feel ya. No. Up $2,500 gambling. No, we got to trade systematically. How's everyone's day been, Team Bull? You killed it on your personal, Grizzly. I seen that.
Yeah, solid. Great for the first one. Steak is definitely on the menu.
Coming up next. Yeah, come out here. I'll take some steak. I'll take some steak, my boy. I had a real good steak last night. A great steak.
Strip.
Ribeye. Ribeye is my thing. I eat, sleep, and breathe ribeyes.
Maybe a strip. It might be my favorite cut.
Really?
But I like strips.
Okay. Call me crazy. I still like shorts up here, guys. I guess we'll see how we react to the 750 to 760, but
24/7, 114. 24/7, 14.
I still like shorts up here. We'll see if we can find any footing. We closed below that London high. And now we'll see if we end up making a higher low. I think Grizzly might be onto something with watching that 15-minute high. We'll see. Who thinks they can call me in trading hours? Unacceptable. We don't take phone calls during trading hours.
Are you in the trade, Grizzly?
No one's in any trades.
No, we got to push down quite a bit before I can take one.
Are you taking the longs, Greg?
I'm looking right. I'm looking. Oh man, I'm so fast.
See if we can get.
So one red trade, one green trade, one back to break here, and the day. So I'm going to take it out.
Oh, me. Just wait. Yep. No shorts for me, guys. I was looking for this pull up here. Nothing yet.
This mix is just coffee.
Oh, sweet. That's dope.
It's good coffee. Pretty good.
True religion, bro.
Yep. I bought this in New York. Nueva York.
Nice.
You like putting it in the mug now, huh?
Something about it. Something about it.
It's that older man in you.
I know, I'm getting old. Greg and the Loans. Good luck, brother. Not personally joining you, but I wish you the absolute best of luck and explosion to the upside. Oh. Hey. Woo. Ooh. We close back above. Interesting. Call me crazy. I still like the shorts, but I don't know. Grays and longs. Hopefully you guys print up. That candle actually looks halfway decent with the volume, but
We're still gonna watch that bounce area. Now 714 now. 24, 714. That's all from me on Zoom today.
you out of here, bro?
Yeah. Only have that one bounce there. I'm just gonna set an alert and get on it to hit. Easy. Make sure I'm not the host, so I don't end the live again. I'm doing great.
Come on, give Greg the pumper.
Yes.
Give Greg the pumper. Gotta tell you, the bear in me still likes shorts, but I hope you get it. It's higher, 78. I still like the shorts, guys. I still like the shorts. Especially if we close this candle like this, I'll look next pop up. See if we can get some sort of retracement down to like the 50% or not the 50%. The Well, technically the 50% retracement, but to the 15-minute high. It's right around there too. Yep. I thought like 704. We'll see. See how we close this candle.
I was close.
What up? Let's see. No new trades for me yet. Let's see how this candle closes. All team bull.
Feeling. Close again. Stealing.
Let's see, the high here is 78, 80. Let's see. I'm watching this closely, guys. He says, what you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Close at 744.
That was the short entry up there, guys. Telling you. That was it. Are you out? Are you still in, Greg?
I'm about to close. I'm holding it because they're holding this. One more chance. Stop out. I'm gonna close it.
I still like the shorts, guys. We had that close below the 5-minute. I don't want to fade. We have that close below the London high. If we can hold this candle low, I like a retest back down to the 715, 712. Technically speaking, it should give that now that we failed that London high. See you, man.
See you, man. Take care. Take care, team. Good. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Guys want a potential banger trade, wait for the next pop up. Shorts above that pre-market high, that one and high, and then let's target 713. That's what I think the next winner of the day is. Shorts down to like 713, and then we'll see how we'll see if we find any strength there, any support. I know Gene and I are still here. We're chilling. We're vibing. Gene, they want you to become a guru.
Do they? You want me to teach you guys in Spanish?
He won't. Everyone wants to learn in Spanish. Rápido, rápido, rápido. Don't. Why does it feel like a funeral? What do you mean? We're vibing. Just hear me out, guys. Shorts until 713. So kind of last line of defense is in this candle right here, but everything else, I mean, this chart looks primed to keep moving down. Vibes are down. Well, y'all better get that energy up. Y'all better come on. There ain't no reason to let your vibes be down, baby. What's the higher? 763, 770. Don't. We got green vibes up in here, baby. Come on. What's up, Einstein? Gene says, what's up? All right, let's see if they give us an entry in here. Where's my 1 minute? There we go. Hold on. This 1 minute looks really strong. Just hold your horses. $770. Don't. What's the high here? We're just about at pre-market high again. So hold up. This 1 minute's going crazy. If you look at the 1 minute on screen share, we are breaking the structure to the upside. So I don't use the 1 minute for a lot, but I will use it in terms of like, look at this. Very clean trend. Break to the upside on higher volume. That's something I'm going to be very cautious of. So personally, I like to see, lower volume on those moves up or not such a clean break. So when you get something like that with higher volume, there's a good chance you're going to get at least a little continuation. So if we fail this breakout, then move back down, that's where I look for the shorts and keep the stops above the previous candle high, or ideally above or below the trend setting candle. Grabbing souls before it heads down. Any more trades today? We'll see. Got a little bit longer. Got a little bit longer. Yeah, we had a little less people show up today. What's going on, guys? Team Bowl, we had less people in the live, too. Where's everybody at? Stop sleeping. Where's everybody at? Everyone got cooked for FOMC yesterday. They're taking the day off. Dead ass though. I was joking saying that. But seriously, I feel like a lot of people got cooked for FOMC yesterday, so they're just like taking the day off to recover. I really think that's probably the truth. But we don't enough summer. What's up, Junior? We miss you, bud. Miss you, my bro. I didn't mean to call you bud. I hate when people say bud. Hey, bud. You know, if it's actually like your buddy, it's cool. But like when someone's like low-key hater, they're like, hey, bud, you got me? Like, no, bud, I don't. This guy that one of the OGs of Team Bowl. All right, no rejects now. The short entry was above, and now we have reclaimed it, and who knows what we'll do. But I will have no participation in a slow trend to the upside. And racking up bags and system, that's dope. As a reminder, guys, tomorrow's free what's going on here? Tomorrow's free Friday, so make sure you guys grab your funded accounts. I want you guys focusing on trading your fundeds, using less capital up front, getting your payouts, and then focusing on taking those payouts and putting them in a live account. That's what I want you focusing on. I called out 2 trades. I had a third that Greg was in the longs and gave a good idea on it, but no clear like, hey guys, I'm in or I'm out. So 1 minute's aggressive on NQ. It's back and forth. A lot of indecision at this pre-market high. It's so crazy to me when people come and hate on the lives. It's like bro's been in the live for over 10 minutes just hating. You realize how expensive 10 minutes is, bro? That's 10 minutes you don't get back. That's 10 minutes that you boost our algorithm to show us new people that want to learn. Like, bro, how bored do you have to be? You gotta be really bored, I guess. I don't know. Couldn't be me, but more power to you, bro. You always lose. That's why I'm in here watching your live every day. Because you always lose. I love coming and just losing with you because that makes a ton of sense. Yeah, bro. You're right. You just make your money on subscriptions. You don't know how to trade. Yep. Definitely. That's it right there. I definitely don't come on live every day and call winning trades almost every day. It's definitely not why I have over 1 million followers. It's because I lose every day. That's why. That's wild. But hey, with the pump and new people were getting in here, make sure you guys tap in and hit that follow button. If you guys want to come trade live with me every single day, learn, level up, win, make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. We do this every single day, baby. Bro has literally made me over 30K just from watching him. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Don't. Tomorrow's Free Friday too. We're going off. How do I sign up for the funded account? Well, it depends what prop firm you want to trade with, but I recommend Apex or Tradeify. Yo, that's crazy. You're definitely not the reason I put in my 2 weeks on Tuesday. Psych, couldn't have done it without you. That's awesome, bro. Honestly, if you want to start with a funded account, for actual true beginners, I recommend you go with like Tradeify until you learn the Apex rules, because with Apex, I mean, I love Apex. They're the most scalable firm, but unrealized trailing drawdown can be really tough. So go to tradeify.co. I'll post the link in the chat. You can screenshot it and copy and paste, or you can copy and paste it in your browser on your live. You can use code Jdun, code JDUN for 35% off. What's up, dog?
What up?
Triple witching is tomorrow. Yup. Jdun, with how many lots should people trade their eval/funded account with? What is your advice? Well, it depends on how much you can handle. I think a good rule of thumb, once you can handle it, is like 2 to 3 minis. I mean, you can do it with micros, though. You can do it with like Gene, for example, trades 15 to 20 micros, and he's gotten a bunch of payouts. You could technically do it with 10 micros, right? Yep. The more size you use, the less emotional control you're going to have. Therefore, the less profit you're going to make and keep over time. You might make more profit in a day, but you're going to lose more over time because you can't control yourself. So I do. I mostly trade personal live accounts. I've had them anywhere from starting with 50 to 500K. Yordi, let's go. Though I recommend, if you want to start learning for less, for futures, funded accounts are a great way to start. If you guys have at least a year of trading experience, I recommend Apex. Get like 5 accounts or so. Nothing crazy. You can have up to 20, but you got to be careful with that. Use code Jdun for 80% off. I'll put the link in the YouTube chat. You guys can get funded and trade futures with me as soon as tomorrow morning. Just click on that link. You buy your accounts one by one, and you can link them all on Tradeovate. I like the Tradeovate 50Ks and the 150Ks. I mean, technically speaking, I could live just off trading, but why would I do that? I don't think anyone should do that. I think everyone should have multiple streams of income. Don't. You guys have a lot of questions, and I love answering your questions. So if you want to personally talk to me, if you'd like access to the Discord for free Friday tomorrow, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord for free Friday tomorrow. JDUN Trades on Instagram. Send me a DM and mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord for free Friday. Yeah, I've traded on it with Apex. Don't. Your strategy is legit. You're not trying to hit grand slams, just hella doubles. That's right. Singles and doubles, baby. Win championships. That's correct. Oh, boom, 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 boom. I'm here. Stupid. You know what I need each of you guys to do today? As a part of the Team Bull Familia, I need you guys to do something positive for yourself today. Go to the gym. Fix your diet. Eat a healthy meal. Read 5 pages of a book. Watch 10 minutes of trading education. Do something, even if it's minimal, to better yourself and better your chances of success tomorrow. It starts with daily habits every single day. You notice that 95% of traders fail. It's because 95% of people won't take the actions in their daily life to better themselves, to better their education, to better their discipline. So if you're willing to face that discomfort and face that choice that you have to better yourself and to better your discipline and to better your system, it's going to change everything for you. You just need to make it happen. Yep, hit the gym, read a book, do something positive. Do something positive for yourselves. Choose discipline over dopamine. That's what it all basically boils down to, is choosing discipline over dopamine. Yep. I'm looking at the charts. I just probably won't take any more trades. 75 hard. Nice. That's awesome. Big Rock. Let's go, bro. That's dope. The best advice on getting sober I have is you really need to have a strong why. You know, it takes one day at a time. And the biggest thing for me, I'm 16 months sober. I haven't had alcohol in over 16 months. The biggest hurdle for me was getting over the events. Like when I first stopped drinking, I was like, oh my gosh, how am I not going to drink on my birthday? How am I going to go sit courtside at a Nuggets game and not drink? Oh my gosh, going to a concert there's no way I can be sober. But then you start doing all these little things and staying sober during them, and you're like, oh, this is actually pretty cool. You know, I can find dopamine and fun from within. And over time, you get better and better at it. It gets easier and easier over time. There's good days, there's bad days. I mean, obviously, when you get really stressed out and life's hard, which it's going to be hard, it's more tempting to drink or, you know, put a bandage on that. But if you have the capability mentally to stay tough during hard times and face your emotion and face that pain, it makes you unstoppable. You become unstoppable, being able to be in control of your emotions. And it helps with trading too. Think about it. Like when we're in a bad rut of trading, when we have a bad trade, we take a losing trade or two losing trades, a lot of times we'll try to put a bandage on that with tilt trading, with revenge trading, with full porting, with trying to get back green. It's a similar concept to when you're having a bad day, when you have anxiety, when you're feeling down, when something happens in your daily life and you mask it with drugs and alcohol, right? When you find the ability to face those emotions and stay tough and stay disciplined and work through it, just like in your trading, it's going to ultimately benefit you long-term, significantly. So that's the mindset I look at is, you know, it's not just personal health, it's also business. Like I know that, damn, we're ripping. That was what I was worried about looking at that 1 minute chart. We're about to high a day. This would have been the entry looking back if you're on screen share. That retest of this trend down on this high volume candle. Don't. They did do Greg dirty. Oh my gosh, look at coin. That thing is nuking. You know what actually looks decent is if we close coin up here, is looking for a daily pullback to that 340 area because we have a massive gap to fill above. Look at this on the daily chart on screen share. So we're breaking out of this daily trend. If we can get that pull back a little for a higher low, and we have a gap up to 377. Big move up. We ain't getting no retest to pre-market high on coin today. This thing is nuking. Oh, whoops. Am I buying the top? No, I'm not buying the top. I don't really buy breakouts to the upside. I trade higher lows and lower highs. I trade trend entries. Much less stressful. Much less stressful. And I value my trading being less stressful. A lot. I like to enjoy what I do. Thoroughly. I appreciate all y'all being here. We have a lot of new people on TikTok. Make sure you guys hit that follow button and join me every day. Make it a part of your morning routine to come be disciplined with Jdun. Come be disciplined with me every single day. You can come join this live every day and take steps forward in your trading every single day. That's all I can ask of you guys is that you just take steps forward every single day. When you do that, you're bound to get better eventually. You see it a lot with our students. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and mob off for the day. It's been a nice, solid trading morning, but I'm going to get out of here, my friends. Trade smart, trade safe. And if you want to trade futures with me tomorrow, make sure you guys tap in. Tradeify is 35% off using code JDUN. Apex is 80% off using code JDUN. I love helping you guys learn, level up, and win, and getting you guys to choose discipline and system in your trading. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, Team Bull. Maybe Power Hour, probably not, but there's always a chance. God bless y'all. Peace. All right, TikTok, YouTube, I'm out of here. Make sure you guys are all registered for my next 3-day free masterclass. I have never done one of these before. If you're on YouTube, click on the pinned comment, enter your information, save your seat to the class, and get ready to transform your trading forever. If you guys have any questions, if you guys would like access to Free Friday tomorrow, if you'd like access to the 3-day masterclass and you can't click the link now, you can always DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. So JDUN Trades on Instagram. Send me a DM there. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for live trading, all right? God bless you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.